Hi guys, how are you doing? Hope you are doing fine. My name is Betty for those who are new to this channel. And in today's video guys, I want to unbox with you some few products that I bought. Yes, I bought some self-care products, and that is what I'm going to show you. And I bought so many items, and mostly they are self-care items, perfume, and so many items. So let me show you guys. Okay, I'm going to start with this is Dr. Rachel's sunscreen cream. This one, yeah, this is what I got. And okay, I'm going to try this one because I have never used this sunscreen, so I don't know whether it's going to work for me or not. So yeah, this is the first item that I got. Yep, I also got this lip mask. I got this lip mask, yeah, and I think, let me see how many they are. There are so many. So this is how they are, and this is how they look. They look like this. So yeah, I'm going to try this on my lips. And the next item that I got is this citrus hard cream. Yeah, this is citrus hard cream. Yeah, I love having hard cream in my bag. So yeah, all these products that I'm going to show you are new. And I also got this Midoi spray. Yeah, this is for curly wigs and also extension like this one that I'm having. So you just spray it and it shines very well. So yeah, and it has a very nice scent. I do love it so much. I also have this body lux. This is body lux, and I got it in Eyes for Men. This is Eyes for Men, which has a very nice scent. I love it. I love it so much. It has that cool scent, so I got this one, Eyes for Men. I love this. Yes baby? Yeah. Anakuja. So, and also I added this Dove in coconut milk, jasmine petals. This one, yeah, I added one because I have others. And also I got this Nivea body lotion. Yeah, I added also one, and I love this one, although I'm thinking of trying another one that I saw. Yeah, so I have that one. And also I got my favorites here. I got some perfumes. I have this one, and you guys, you can see. So, and I want to unbox with you. I have never used these ones. Yeah, I want to unbox with you, and here it is. So yeah, see how beautiful it is. I love it so much. For this one, I have opened the box, but I have two others that I have not opened. So this is how it looks and smells very nice. It smells very nice. It has a very nice scent. See guys how beautiful it is. I love it so much. And also there is another one here which I had unboxed. I wanted to relieve the scent. So here it is. See how it is like this. This is the box, and see how beautiful it is. Wow. The bottle itself tells you how this perfume smells so nice. So you just, it is like this. You just open it like this, and you go ahead and spray. So it's very nice. I love it. So this is the second one that I got, this one. Yeah, and I love it so much. This is the box. So I have another one. here. Royal, this is L'Oreal. I know most of the people have used this one, but for this one I have not unboxed it, so I'm going to do that with you guys. This is the paper. So yeah, this is the paper that it comes. So let's give it to paper. Oh my god, see there how beautiful it is. I love it. I love it. Royal blue. So let me. Okay, it's so cool. It's cool, and it's like for it smells like it's for men. It's not all that sweet. It's just cool. I think this one I'm going to give it to my hubby. Yeah, I might give. Wow, it smells so nice, and it has a very nice cover too. So yeah, and this is the box. So this is that one. I got like 4. I have another one here that I have not unboxed it. This is how it looks. For this one, sikufungua, so I want to do it with you guys. For this one, I don't know if in the scent. I just picked it. Although they give you the sample for you to know what you are picking. So, and wow, see guys, see how beautiful it is. Oh my god, I love it. See guys, for this one you don't have to open, you just spray it. It smells very nice. I love it so much. Oh my god, it's so sweet. It's so sweet. I love it so much. I love the bottle. It looks so classic. Gosh, I love it so much. See guys, and they are not expensive. They're not all that expensive though. So this one, oh, it smells. I think this is my favorite. I think this one is my favorite, and also this one. This is the second favorite, and also which one? This one. So I think I love these 3. I love them so much. I think I love the scent of these 3. Yeah, love them so much. And also I bought a cashews here. I bought an open. This is how it is packed, like this. They pack it like this, and I got 2, although I have already won 1. So I got this, the black one, and also this one that I'm going to show you. And they're very comfortable. They are sandals. They're like a sandals, but they have this heel, and they're very comfortable. So I got 2 of them. I have this one. For this one, I haven't worn it. So, and this is the packaging. This is how they have packed for you. And I got this one. This is the other one that I haven't worn. It's number 40. Yeah. So yeah. So this one. And they are very comfortable. They have this heel and their sandals. They were costing like 1K. So sorry. And I also got some few earrings. This is the first one. This is the first one, which I love it so much. Okay, and I also got some earrings, and this is the first one, which I love so much. They are so beautiful. I can't wait to have a function so that I can put on this one, because they look more of occasional. So they are very beautiful, and I have also this one. So yeah, this other one. I love these long earrings. I love them so much. I love putting on this long earrings. So this is the other one. I got this and also this one, so you can see how beautiful they are. I think I have another one also, a long earrings. So here it is, very beautiful, as you can see, very beautiful. I can't wait to put these. See guys how beautiful they are. So I got these 3 of them. I got these 3. See how beautiful they are guys. I got 3 of these, the long one. So yeah, and also I have these 250. They're not long, so I wanted to treat myself. I wanted to show myself some love. Not that I'm not loved, I'm loved, but there is sometimes you feel like you need some jewelries. You need to treat yourself. So that is what I was feeling. I need to treat myself. So that is why I bought so many. So there is this other one here, which is very beautiful. For these ones, they are not long. They are not all that long, but this is how they look. Yeah, very beautiful. Yeah, beautiful. And also I have another one here. This is how it looks when you open. Let me open this one. Very beautiful guys. See, very beautiful. I love them. As you can see how beautiful they are. I don't know whether guys you can see. Yeah, I hope so. Yes, for this one I also got 3 of them. And also I have another one here. Here it is. So I got so many. For the 2 short ones, I got this one. So I got these 3. I got 3 of these. See how beautiful they are. They are very beautiful. Yeah, and they have a very nice stopper at the back. I know you can see guys, very nice one. So yeah, and also I got one necklace. I got this necklace. It's a karong one. As you can see guys, very beautiful. Don't know why this jacket it misbehave. So I have this one. You can see how beautiful it is, and I wanted still the kalong one. So yeah, I don't think there is anything else that I got. And also I have this one, although this one it's not for the beauty products. So this is the self stick that I got, and it has a light there. Yeah, this one. Yeah, but this one it wasn't part of those items. I also went to Gikomba. As you can see guys, this is one of the buffet cover that I got from Gikomba. And another one, let me show you the other one that I know I have already put it here, but let me show you guys. Oh, I have some earrings here that I had forgotten. I have this one, but for this one I have one. Maybe that is the reason why I'm forgetting to show you. So I have this one. They look very nice. I also love them so much, but they are so beautiful. So for this one I have one. Yeah, so show you the other buffet covers that I bought from not Kamukunji but Gikomba. For this one, as you can see, this one it's a thrift and it has a very nice flower. So let me show you the other one. I'm showing you the So for this one, I have also used this one. I also thrifted this one. Very beautiful, very beautiful. As you can see guys, I also thrifted that one. And also I have another one here. This other one here. Very beautiful. As you can see the print. It has a very nice black and white theme. So yeah, this one I also thrifted this one from Gikomba. So I thrifted three to the cover. I have this one and the one I have shown you, and also I have this one. Hii jacket yangu ina misbehave. So yeah, and also I bought these pillow covers. I bought these pillow covers. I have this one and also this one. Yeah, see how they look. And also I have these towels. These are towels. I picked 2 of them. And also I have this head wrap, this one in pink and white and very warm. Looks very nice, as you can see guys. Very nice. Also I have the towel. I can't go to Gikomba and miss out to come with a towel, so I picked this one, and it's very nice, pink one, because it's for my girls and they love pink so much. So I picked this one white, and so I have like 5 towels that they have pink and white but different prints. So I have this one. I picked this one, which I also love it so much. I love it so much because it has no dent anywhere, but I think the stains, they're going to come out. I'm going to soak it, so I know the stains will come out. I also got this elastic bed sheet, so I got this, and it's very warm. It has this detail inside. You can see, very beautiful. Yeah, I also thrifted that one. And I have this throw blanket. I have the throw blanket here, which is pinkish, but for this one I think I'm going to use it in my bed. I'm not very sure, but for this one, imagine, for this one I got it at 100. She was selling it for 200. Then nikasema kaina si warm, so akaniambia uko na 150. Nikamwambia no, I have 100. Akaniambia later unifungulie job. So this one, for this one I got it at 100, and it's not that warm. It has some holes inside, but I think I'll be decorating with it in my bedroom, or kids' bedroom. I'm not very sure whether I'm going to use it in my bedroom or in the other kids' bedroom. So, oh, I forgot to show you this watch, this one, which I also got in the same place where I got these earrings. So I have this gold. I have this gold watch. This one. See how beautiful it is. Very beautiful. Yeah. So let me put this one so that I can show you. So this is how it looks. I know guys, you can see. So, and for the earrings and necklace, I bought them in gold. I don't think I have any silver here. I got all of them in gold. Yeah, that is it guys. I don't think there is anything that I have forgotten, but yeah, that is it for today guys, and thank you so much for watching until this point. Don't forget to subscribe if you are watching this video. Share my content. Know any other way you can support me guys, apart from subscribing and liking my videos. Thank you so much for the love that you have shown me. I'm so grateful for that. I can't take that one for granted, because guys, you are supporting me, and I'm so happy, and I'm so humbled for the support that you're showing me. So guys, that is it. So bye, let's meet in the next one. Usiguze.
Umechange.